Balik po tayo sa ating palatuntunang Good Morning Boss at siyempre mas gaganda po ang ating umaga dahil kasama po natin ang kandidata ng Miss Republic of the Philippines. Kasama po ang founder nilang si Ma'am Lynette Padolina. Magandang umaga. Good morning, Ma'am Lynette.
Thank you, Aljo.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning. Tell us more about the pageant, Ma'am Lynette.
Oh, the pageant consists of 40 candidates. 20 of them actually comes from abroad, and 20 are from here, locally in the Philippines. We will have 2 crowns. One is Miss Republic of the Philippines International for our foreign delegates, and one is actually for Miss Republic of the Philippines, just for our domestic candidates.
Yung mga kandidata natin from abroad, I presume mayroon silang dual citizenship.
Actually, they have Filipino heritage. They are the resident, Pinoy residents abroad natin. So they're from the Filipino community that lives outside the Philippines.
Kailan po ito nagsimula? How did it start?
It started when I was actually judging some local pageants here, although I live in the States. And I recognized there is something missing. So we thought about relaunching the old Miss Philippines, which has been away for like 39 years now, Aljo. Yeah. Yeah. So now we're coming back with a twist. We are the scholarship pageant. We are a beauty scholarship pageant.
So hindi lang mga kandidata ang maganda sa umaga na ito, mga kaibigan, kundi ang founder din na si Ma'am Lynette Padolina.
Thank you.
Okay, kasama din ni Miss Carla, ang ating mga kandidata. Carla?
Hi! Hello, at maraming salamat. Sa 14 candidates ng Miss Republic of the Philippines, kasama natin ang 5 nilang kandidata. Kasama nila si Jovelyn F. Mateo, taga Sorsogon. Ako, kababayan ko. Sarah Margaret Hoson ng Manila. Polly Hart Calvero, Alcala, Pangasinan. Ako, taga-Alcala din ako. Ignacio Jenny Rose. Bicolana din. Legazpi City, Albay. Katrina Marie T. Redshaw, Filipino Communities of New Zealand. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. Ayan. Kailan ba ang pageant?
November 4.
November 4. Handa na ba kayo? Okay, siguro let's ask Katrina Marie T. Redshaw. You're from New Zealand.
Yes pa.
Ayan, pero do you know how to speak our language?
Marunong po ako mag-Tagalog. I'm actually studying here at Mapua Institute of Technology.
Oh, anong course mo?
Architecture po.
Wow, nako, galing naman. Okay, so ikaw, paano ka nagpe-prepare for the pageant? Ako nalalapit na. Less than a month?
Mga 20 days, yeah.
Yeah. So how do you prepare for the
What's really important is to have a healthy mind and also have a healthy lifestyle. Siyempre, pang beauty queen, kailangan maganda katawan, laging maayos ang itsura. Kaya always have a healthy mindset. And once you have that, maging maayos lahat.
Okay, siguro. And what's her name?
Jovelyn.
Jovelyn. Ako parang tayong taga Bicol pala. Kapang Bicol.
Actually po dito na ako nag-stay sa Quezon City ngayon.
Oh, okay. Ikaw, sino ba ang inspirasyon mo sa pageant na ito?
Siyempre po yung mama ko. Parang, I want her to be proud of me.
Of course, lahat naman yan sa family. Puntahan naman natin si Sarah Margaret Hoson.
Good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Okay, siguro pang pageant naman na tanong, no? Siyempre, ikaw pwedeng koronahan ng Miss Republic of the Philippines. Bilang isang kandidata, paano mo mapopromote ang ating bansa sa, sa mga foreigners, sa mga turista natin sa bansang ito?
Yes, actually through education, because we believe, Miss Republic of the Philippines believe that brain will take us further than beauty. That would be all.
Diba? Nako, mukhang handang-handa ng ating mga kandidata. Siyempre, kausapin din natin Rose and si Polly Hart. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ayan, siguro invite our viewers kailan, saan, at just invite our viewers for the upcoming pageant sa inyong sasalihan.
Manood po kayo ng Miss Republic of the Philippines this coming November 4 po at Soler.
Soler Resort and Casino.
November 4 sa Soler Resort and Casino. Miss Republic of the Philippines. Ako, pinaganda ninyo ang aming umaga. 5 pa lang yan out of 40 candidates. Balikan muna natin si Aljo.
Tatanong ko lang kung
okay, may question pa to sa
stricto ba ang patakaran dyan at dapat walang boyfriend? O
yes.
Meron ba kayong mga existing relationship with you?
Parang you're very...
Tatanong ko lang kung talaga bang dapat wala kang commitments na iba. Yan lang.
Oo,
Tama
yun
ba
ba?
ako? May mga boyfriends na ba kayo? Wala ka. Gilbert, wala. Wala, stick to yan. Dapat na para makapag-concentrate
Hindi kasi may papakilala kami sa inyo. Oo, ayan. Pero siguro pag ano din, ako si Aljo, di ba? Pag sabi nila, pag pageant, kailangan, sabi nga ni Miss New Zealand, na dapat daw, they have to maintain their body. Pero dapat wag nyo i-deprive yung self ninyo. Kasi maraming, balita about yung mga nagda-diet, na sobrahan ng diet. Actually, pwedeng maging cause of death yon. So, just of course, take care of your body. Talaga nagbibigay ako ng advice. Parang lang, contestant lang.
Tanong na lang natin, kasi filing ng COC ngayon, anong masasabi mo doon sa mga nagpa-file ng kanilang certificate of candidacy na nakikita nating hindi qualified? Yung mga may kumakanta, may sinasabi.
She actually represents
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, for the, na lang po siguro, sa mga botante, vote wisely din
Yan.
po. And then sa mga hindi pa po bumoboto, no bio, no boto.
Ayun, no buy, no vote. Tama yan. So,
Yan.
balik-
Lagi niyo tandaan ha, na magiging boses din kayo ng ating bansa. At
Okay.
napakaganda talaga ng ating mga bisita ngayon, Aljo.
Yeah. Ma'am Lynette, what makes Miss Republic of the Philippines unique doon po sa ibang mga pageants?
Actually, Aljo, the reason why we relaunched Miss Republic of the Philippines is because we wanted to have a different niche in the beauty pageant, and that is the scholarship pageant. So we are not only beauty pageant, we are also a scholarship pageant in the sense that our grand prize winner, the grand prize are scholarships.
Scholarships.
All here in the Philippines. Even our foreign resident winners, which is our Pinoy resident abroad, can actually study here because that's the grand prize. So we have a calendar of schools that we are offering for them once they win.
Gaano po ka-tedious yung proseso sa pag-screen ng mga kandidata? Ito, Ma'am Lynette.
50% has to be coming from intelligence. They have to have a very good scholastic record and, of course, good moral character
Ayun.
and recommended by the community.
So,
So-
age bracket nila, siguro, 18 years old. Dapat
18 to
at least,
25. Yep. And they must have a Filipino heritage and actually have a good educational background.
Okay, so malapit na. Ma'am, no? Nasa ito
November 4.
November 4.
November
Sorry,
4. It's
November
only
4.
20 days away. Yeah.
Mensahe niyo po para sila makapanood sa ating mga kandidata, ma'am.
Yes.
Why don't you invite our televiewers?
Oh, I'd like to invite the people of the Philippines, of course, to actually watch the relaunch of Miss Republic of the Philippines. We have been away po for 39 years, so we wanted to make sure that we actually will show a different kind of beauty pageant.
Ayan. Carla?
Ayan, maraming
May mga
salamat
tanong
po
ka ba
sa inyo. And of course, sa ating mga kandidata, good luck! And baby, congratulations in advance. Maraming salamat.